Is your 2007 Honda Accord's alarm system going off randomly? You're not alone. Many owners report persistent false alarms, especially in higher mileage vehicles. The most common culprits are faulty door switches, key fob issues, a problematic hood latch sensor, or battery problems. Let's start with the most critical component. Start by checking your battery voltage. It should be 12.6 volts or higher when the engine is off. Use a multimeter to get an accurate reading. Clean any corrosion from the battery terminals and ensure they're properly connected. Corrosion can cause voltage drops that trigger false alarms. Next, inspect your key fob. Try replacing the batteries, as low voltage can cause erratic signals. If you have a second fob, test it to rule out a fob-specific issue. If problems persist, move on to the door and hood latch sensors. These components often develop issues over time and require systematic testing to identify failures. Worn door jamb switches are the most common cause of false alarms in 2007 Honda Accords. These switches create intermittent connections that trigger the alarm system unexpectedly. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of each door switch. A properly functioning switch should show continuity when the door is closed and no continuity when open. A replacement door jamb switch costs around $25 and can resolve most intermittent alarm issues. Clean the switch contacts before installation for best results. The hood latch sensor is another common failure point. Contamination from road debris, leaves, or corrosion can cause the sensor to malfunction and trigger false alarms. Locate the hood latch sensor in the engine compartment. Clean the latch mechanism thoroughly and lubricate the pivot points with white lithium grease. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, the hood latch sensor may need replacement. Test the sensor with a multimeter to verify proper operation before and after cleaning. Key fob issues can also cause alarm problems. Before replacing the fob, try reprogramming it using Honda's standard procedure. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert the key and turn it to the on position. Press and hold both lock and unlock buttons simultaneously until the door locks cycle. If sensor cleaning and key fob reprogramming don't resolve the issue, the body control module may need reprogramming at a Honda dealership. BCM reprogramming requires Honda's diagnostic system and typically costs around $150 in labor. This is usually necessary after battery replacement or if security codes become corrupted. Following this systematic approach to diagnosing sensor and switch issues will resolve most 2007 Honda Accord alarm problems. Start with the simplest solutions before moving to more complex repairs.